Color pink yours.
Fingers, blink your eyes, wiggle your fingers, blink, blink, blink. Move your hands side to side, move your hands side to side. Shake your hands, 1, 2, 3. Shake your hands, shake with me, come on and shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake your nose, touch your mouth and your chin below. Move your head all around, move your head all around. Shake your hands, 1, 2, 3. Shake your hands, shake with me, come on and shake. Shake, 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 shake with me, come on and shake. Shake, 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 shake. Back and forth, shake your hands.
Turn around.
And now,
Sit. Turn around. Sit down.
but then he said, yeah. Reach for the sky. Hands, 1, 2, 3. Shake.
More? More? Oh, hold on, hold on. All done? Finish?
Is a private entity. It's not a government organisation, but Red's got a... Bye-bye, darlings.
I think you understand.
You okay? I'll be back tomorrow. I'll be back tomorrow, darling. Bye-bye, darlings. I love you so much. Seriously, it's really... Bye-bye. Gosh, I'm really choked up. It's the first time she really looked upset on me.
Bye, take care.
Daddy's gone. Where's Daddy's gone?
Oh, come here. Come here. Dad's gonna return tomorrow. He's gonna go back tomorrow. Dad's gonna go back tomorrow. Huh? Mama. Opo, Daddy's gonna go back tomorrow. Okay? Hindi na, good. Baby. Gonna go back tomorrow, okay? Excuse me, Mama. Put your hands on your nose. Hey guys, so I'm gonna prank my kids to eat this Cloud9, but I'm gonna act like it's hot or it's spicy. So we'll see the reaction. I'm gonna start now. Look. So this is Cloud9, by the way. Ow! It's hot! You. Lo. You see, sometimes guys, it's just more on your reaction or how you show them that it's scary, like that, para hindi sila masanay sa chocolate or the junk food. Kasi once they try this, they're gonna love it, right? Like their mama. Ready? Ow! Oh my word, it's hot! You. No. Siren? Hello. Siren. See? It works. So, na-taste na ni Tala, guys. So, she asked for more. Gosh. Finish. Just one bite. Okay? It's not good for you. Good for mama, though. Okay? Yes. What's this? What's mama's name? Donna. And you? What's your name? Tala. What's Saya's name? Cherry. Kiss. Oh, that's very nice. What? More? Too much. Oh my god. More? No. All done. Finish. Mama. You finish your lunch. More. No. All done. What's your mama's name? Huh? Donna. What's your mama's name? Donna. Where is your eyes? Nose. You. Ears. Where's your ear? Teeth. Tongue. Neck. Belly button. Hands. Toes. Neck. Hair. Head. Good job! Oh, very nice naman yung cut. Oh, good. What's the A say? Huh? What's the A say? Oh, good job. What's the cow say? Moo. What's the dog say? Whoa, where are we going? We are going to Aita Market because it's Friday and we need some fruits and vegetables for you guys. Oh, come on, let's go. Let's go down. Yes. Let's get our shoes. Mama. Come on. Careful, watch your step. Come on. Watch your step. Watch your step. Well done. No, hurry. Say hurry, no. Look at them. Oh. Ay. Paano, Daddy? So, pinapakain ko lang sila ng breakfast nila, which is sayote, carrots, and kalabasa. Yung kalabasa, ubos na. It's around 8 now, and we plan to leave around 9:30. So, tapos naman na to, nakapak na din ako kagabi pa. So, ito na yung dadalhin namin kasi since day tour lang naman to. Day trip, I mean. So, yan. So, nakapunta na kami sa place na to before pa. And I think 2 months ago. And the kids really loves it. So, ang weather ngayon ay hindi ganun kainit. And hindi naman, hopefully, hindi sana uulan. Para hindi masira yung kanilang summer outing. So, yun talaga. Kasi diba, in the past few days, parang ang sobrang init. And hindi natin matansya talaga yung panahon. Minsan, uulan na lang bigla. So, hopefully, mamaya medyo mainit-init siya. Kasi masarap talaga mag-swimming kapag mainit, diba? So, yun, we're gonna go there and just for a day tour, day trip. Then, balik na din kami agad. 1 hour lang kasi yung biyahe, guys, from here to our new place and going to Subic. So, it's very easy trip. 1, 2, 3, go. Jump, 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 jump. Dada. That's your mama. Yes, you got your drinks. I put your name in there and they're just gonna call you Bella. Kiss mama. Kiss one more time. No, look in the mirror. Look in the mirror. Look in the mirror.
Wow.
Yes. cafe. Oh. We finally arrived here. Gonna go inside. We're having our lunch. Ay, what are you doing?
Laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze filled up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Coffee stains on the table.
Hello guys! So, it's Tuesday afternoon and kami lang dito ng mga Junakis ko dahil wala na naman si Papang. Nasa Manila siya ngayon and bukas ang balik niya. So, kagaling na namin sa garden. Kasama ko yung dalawa kong Junakis. Siyempre, wala namang babantay sa kanila dito sa loob. So, ang hirap kasi kahit ano-ano na lang binubunot nila sa garden. Minsan yung bulaklak, parang kainin niya ni Tala. Akala niya siguro pagkain. Di ba, Tals? Tals, did you taste the flower? Is it nice? Ha? And then, yun. Nagdubi lang talaga sila sa labas. And nagmamadali din ako kasi, syempre, mahirap din kasi maglinis. Tapos, yung mga anak mo, hirap pabayaan. Lalo na sa age na ganito. 1 and a half, hindi pa nila alam kung ano yung ilalagay nila sa bibig nila. So, pumasok na din ako. I think mga 10 minutes lang kami sa garden. Ganyan. And then, kukunin ko na sana yung sampayan ko. Kaso, sobra talaga nilang likot. So, mamaya na lang pag natulog na sila. So, ito na. Tingnan nyo guys yung aming sala ha. Hindi ko na muna siya ginalaw kasi alam ko pag inayos ko siya, babalik na naman siya sa ganitong itsura. Ayan. Diba? Normally, itong mesa nila, doon banda, itong sa white na yan, dyan siya. Kasi mabilis lang, pag naghuhugas ako, nakita ko ano mga nagawa nila, ganyan, kakain, ganyan. So, ngayon, andyan yan. Lahat ng laruan, ito, dito yan sa table. Yung couch, talagang, ganyan naman talaga siya. So, itong playpan namin, guys, minsan ko lang siya nagagamit kapag, kailangan kong magluto sa kusina kasi nga, walang titingin kapag wala si Papang. Or minsan, pag busy siya sa work, dyan ko sila iniiwan. So, yan. Hello, my baby. Comb your hair. Comb. Good job. Comb. Nice. Nice. Comb your hair. Good job. What's mama's name?
Dono.
Dono. Oh, lolong cute naman ang anak kong magsalita ng Mama Donna. Ano na naman yan? Ha? Mama? Mama?
Mama.
What's Mama's name?
Mama.
What's Mama's name?
Dono.
Dono. You, what's your name?
Tata.
Tala. Si Tala, guys. Si Tala, hindi pa niya napopronounce yung L. So, yung Tala niya, Tata. Tapos, hindi pa sila, wala pa silang S eh. So, hindi pa na po-pronounce yung seren, ganyan. Hello, nak! Busog ka sa merienda mo? Breadsticks? Ha? Ha? Nabuang si mama. Sino kausap ng mama? Walang kausap ang mama. So, kausap niya lang yung camera. Hi, hanggang ngayon wala pa rin akong friends dito na kapitbahay. Kasi andito lang naman kami sa loob ng bahay. Parang ganun pa din yung nasa condo kami. Talagang dito na kami sa loob ng house. Yung tagalinis kasi namin dito sa house once a week. Minsan ko na lang siya pinapalinis. Kasi iba talaga pag yung vibes, maano mo kasi yung mag-feel mo yung vibes ng tao. Kung same kayo ng vibes, same kayo ng utak. So, yung naglinis kasi sa amin, halos kaidaran ko lang siya. Siguro 2 years lang ano niya sa akin, tandaan niya sa akin. Pero hindi kami mag-drive eh. So, yun. So, kwento ko lang yung aming Sunday trip. So far, nag-enjoy naman sila. Hindi na sila nakatulog sa sakyan nung pabalik namin. Yeah, hindi na ako masyado nakapag-video guys kasi busy din talaga with the kids. And hindi mo naman pwedeng babayaan talaga yung anak mo, lalo na pag swimming pool. Kailangan nakatuto kasi seconds lang pwede silang ma-drown. So, isa-isa din kami napapang. Okay sana kung isa lang yung anak namin, eh hindi. So, tag-isa kami. Ayan. Diba? Nag-enjoy kayo guys sa swimming pool. Ang dagat, no? Dagat. Did you swim? Did you see turtle, no? Turtle. Easy. And dagat. Dagat. Turtle. And what's the cow say? Moo. What? How about the cat? Dog. A lizard. Good job. How about Seren? What's mama's name? Donna. I love you na. So, yun guys. Dito lang magtatapos yung aming vlog. Next week ulit. Anak, don't do that to mama. So, yun na lang guys. Bye! Happy weekend. Ay, happy weekend. Tuesday pa lang pala. Iba talaga pag hindi ka nag-work, no? Hindi mo napipili yung araw. Bye. Thank you for watching. I love you, mama. Say, mama. Kiss. Seren, kiss ang mama. Kiss. Seren also. Kiss. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye, guys. Seren, say bye-bye. 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 Bye. Say bye-bye, Aaron.